Hi friend, I'm Tiana Smith with InspiredMommyBoss.com and creator of Mommy Boss Marketing. And I wanted to give you just a little brief overview of what you're going to find a part of Mommy Boss Marketing. The thing is, I'm a mom just like you, and I'm actually a single mom of 2 young children, and I've been able to grow a 6-figure business in part-time hours the last several years, year after year, using these exact foundational practices that I'm going to show you how to build on your own. They include your brand. What is a brand? It's not just a logo. It's not just your colors and fonts. It does include those. It's also your voice. What are you saying to the world, and how will they know that you're what they need, what they want? That's what we cover in the first module. Then we move on to creating a free offer. I'm going to actually share my screen with you right here to share with you a little bit what you see. When you purchase Mommy Boss Marketing, if you clicked on it from my website, or if you found it through my launch or through some other programs that feature me, this is what the back part looks like when you purchase it. And when you click on a video, you're going to see that you'll have a video of me speaking, and then there's also downloads. So as you can see, creating your brand, I'm going to share with you how you can build a marketable, beautiful headers from a design perspective, not only for Facebook, also for LinkedIn, for Twitter, because the truth is the first thing that anybody sees is your brand. It is what it actually looks like. So we always start with that. Now, if you already have a brand in place, that's okay and that's good. You're still going to learn some tools, but you can even go down here to module 2, because then we start talking about what you're saying on social media. And you can see there's a how, what, and why, how to like really dive into social media marketing. I talk about how to group things together. I give you a little insider peek. Then in week 3 or module 3, you can go through this in a weekend. You can go through it week by week, whatever way you do it. I share with you what free offers are, from Adele to Tony Robbins to my products to other people you may follow. And then we start getting into how to create your own free offer. And the reason you need a free offer, friends, is unless you have a way to automate new leads and sales using social media, if you come to my Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to build all this, you'll see it says free biz system. So when people click on this link, they're going to give me their name and information so that I have it. So what I'm teaching you through this process is how to set up this whole page. You're going to get a template for this. I'm going to teach you how to do the automated email sequence. All those little pieces where you didn't know where to start is all in here. Your landing pages. I actually give you templates. You actually can plug and play. When you come here to templates for your landing pages, you actually can just click on the link. They're right here, and it actually has you say, hey, yes, I would like to have this, that I've shared this lead page with you. This is a one and done. Set it up once you get it done in this process, my friends. There's no more guessing. So when you're done, you're walking out of this with a fully working funnel in place where you are collecting people's names and email addresses. And I also teach you how to set it up so that your thank you page, which you get all a part of this, and we help you with the branding. There's a Facebook group for support. You can even also use this to build your Facebook group, which I really recommend you do. If all this looks overwhelming to you, that's okay. I take it through step by step. I've done this for hundreds of clients myself, built hundreds and hundreds of funnels. I've worked with startup entrepreneurs who just have an idea, up to 8-figure entrepreneurs, and big companies like Warner Brothers, celebrities in the music business, in the health industry, people who've been featured on television and film. And my work has been featured there also. But what I do with this, what my real passion is helping other moms and lady bosses really monetize your gifts. But it starts with you creating an automated way to collect leads so that while you're busy taking care of your kids, taking care of your dog or your spouse or life and having fun, you've got a machine working for you, rolling in all this from your social media, from your website if you have one, from all those places. This is the foundational piece that every single entrepreneur truly needs. You can integrate it with whatever thing you're using right now. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email at inspiredmommyboss@gmail.com. You can check out more at inspiredmommyboss.com. I have several free offers for you there. And I hope that you sign up and you get a part of this Mommy Boss Marketing. And I will see you on the inside.